I'm Mike with Ware Landscaping, and we're at one of my all-time favorite customers' houses 3 years later. Just kind of wanted to do a follow-up and show you what to expect and what the drainage system will look like. But he's done a great job of taking care of the grass and watering it, and you can kind of see as we walk through the yard, like the system runs all the way through here, it runs through here, and it's pretty hidden. Like you really can't see it. You've got these drains here, which are great because when it's raining, everything's gonna flow right to the middle of the yard. There's no squishiness at all throughout the year. There's another drain here. And then everything also naturally pitches to these. And in the past it would flow and then it would go the natural grade down the street into the neighbor's yard, but now it's gonna go out into the front, into the storm sewer. You can see this is like literally a perfect yard to make memories.